Hello guys, so back to it, and this is the 1st of May, and I'm back at it with the learning method that I section out the piece of paper into 4 sections, and I have 3 drawings, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th space is for the analysis of how you did and whether you were able to complete it, and the things that you'd like to improve, and the things that you've done well, in your opinion. So I decided to draw a Greek male, but it's more like in the kind of classic traditional Greek statue. So again, good speed. It was a good start, especially the fact that that's the first drawing of the day and my hand still needed to warm up. And it's the first drawing is is a lot better than the other two, which it happens. So yeah, a good start, good speed. I decided to try and simplify things, specifically around the face, like my previous videos, especially the fact if it's a larger area that I'm drawing, like practically the whole body instead of just maybe the head and the bust area, or just the head, so less time, so it kind of makes sense to do less detail. But yeah, so the neck and the shoulder area, I'm starting to capture it, I feel. The torso area, I'm also starting to get see it in my mind's eye. Areas that I do need to work on, specifically when it's when there's not a lot of detail allowed at that time, is the hand. The hands and the face, I cannot get enough. I don't have enough time to put any detail in, so I feel as if that kind of takes it away from the overall effect, but I'm still happy with it. I utilise the geometric and observational with a little bit of gestural, specifically like where the cheekbones would be. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it, especially the fact that that was the first one. On to the second one. Not as good. The neck area and maybe the top of the arm is the best part of the whole drawing. The arm, and specifically the legs, did not work out at all. Yeah, the legs did not work out at all. But it's a good learning experience. The proportions weren't correct. I was trying to do things quickly and it just didn't work. And yeah, I know where to go next time, and also less on the pencil pressure. The third one, I tried a new technique which clearly didn't exactly work, and also ran out of time. So I beg your pardon, I didn't run out of time. I decided to stop because I was becoming quite negative towards it. I knew it wasn't going to work. I knew that whatever I did, it was going to take away from the end result and just make it look really messy and muddy and really heavy-handed. So I stopped. I should have made the torso a lot wider, or if I didn't make it wider, I should have moved lines over so that you could see that instead of the belly button being in the middle, it should have been off to the right, so that it looked as if it was half turning, which it is half turning, as you can see. Yeah, it just didn't work out. I tried something new, it didn't work. It might work in a different drawing or at a later time, but today it just didn't work. But yeah, every day is a school day. I'm still learning, and I will continue to learn for yeah. dot dot dot. So yeah, drop a like, subscribe, that would be awesome, and give me a wee comment, and also start a wee bit of chat. And yeah, thanks guys, bye.